breakfast. Lisa DeHart here, 3 minutes with the Maine Guide. Thanks for coming back for the baking. This week it's biscuits, and we're going to take the best biscuit recipe in the world. It's been on the back of the Bakewell cream can for the last 40 years. So in this bowl, I've got 4 cups of flour and I've got 4 teaspoons of Bakewell cream. And then we're going to that, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. This will all be on the, I'll put the photograph up, don't worry, with the recipe, nice and long so you guys can get it all. 2 teaspoons of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. I always go a little heavy on that. So then we're just going to combine these. And then to it, we're going to add a half a cup of shortening. Half a cup of Crisco right here. So we'll stick that in there and we'll cut it into the dry ingredients. And then that's it. We're going to be done until we decide whatever we're going to do with this on a river. So you can combine it with cinnamon and sugar and raisins and walnuts and make a really nice cinnamon roll in the morning with it. That's fast because it doesn't have to rise. It's biscuit dough. You can go ahead and make the stock biscuits, which are great with everything. When you can make any kind of a bread product on a river, it's just pretty invaluable. So it doesn't take a lot. We're just going to combine the Crisco in with the flour. And again, this one is the same thing. It is stable for weeks. So, but unlike the apple crisp that we did, where once it's combined, it's all self-contained, to complete this and make a biscuit, you're going to have to add 1.5 cups cold milk. So what do we do for milk on a river? What we've always done. We just do powdered milk. A nice, just powdered milk and cold water. And so we're going to do 1.5 cups of that. So when I Ziploc bag this, it's going to say biscuit mix, and then I'm going to write with a black Sharpie, add 1.5 cups cold milk. And then we're going to bag it up, and it's stable for weeks. So let's go ahead and do our little Ziploc bag trick and stick this in here. All right, always fun to get ready for a river when it's cold and snow outside and you're literally packing for a canoe trip. So I like to roll this one too, and then I'll write right on it what it takes to complete it. All right, so next week we're going to explore the magic of pie crust. I'm Lisa DeHart, and you've just spent 3 minutes with the Maine Guide.